eventually want to buy post-UTME past questions and answers for the school of your choice, you just visit our website, campusdream.com.ng. After that, you click on the tab post-UTME books download. When you click on it, it's going to open a page. Then you scroll down, select the school of your choice. Let's assume you want to buy Abia State University Uturu post-UTME past questions. Select Abia State University post-UTME past questions. Then you go to the option and select the option whether you are going for sciences or arts. The past question is categorized into sciences or arts. So let's assume I'm going for medicine and surgery. I'll go for the sciences. Then I'll input my phone number 08033924926. Then my name, Engineer J.O. All right. Then you click on Get Access PIN. The system will direct you to the payment platform where you'll be allowed to pay with your ATM card. Okay, look at it, successful. You receive your request. So you click on OK. Then you'll be directed to the payment platform. Click on OK again, and the payment platform will be will pop up. So you input your card details. We work with Paystack. So you input your card details. I think it didn't load well. So you reload the page. Just refresh the page so that it loads well. So the Paystack payment environment, payment window is supposed to appear. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, so you input your card details here. Click on Pay. Once you click on Pay, automatically the PIN, if your payment is successful, the access PIN of that particular school which you selected, which is Abia State University post-UTME past questions for sciences, will be displayed if your payment is successful. Then what you need to do is copy the access PIN that is being displayed and click on Home Page. Go to Home on that window. So copy the access PIN. When you copy the access PIN, you go to the Home Page. There's the Home Page, and then enter the access PIN in this space provided here. Put the access PIN here and click on the green button, Download. Automatically, the past questions and answers will be downloaded in Microsoft Word format on your download folder. So you see it downloading within few seconds. The download is not a heavy file. So try this. Good luck.